You speak Flemish, Dutch, German, and English, and French. And you're Belgian, so I have these trivia questions for you.
Okay.
What's your favorite compliment in your language?
Wat zie je er goed uit vandaag?
And what does that mean?
It says, how good you look today.
Flattery is
Teach me how to
unnecessary,
flirt
but accurate.
in your language respectfully.
Oké. Hallo, kan ik jou een drankje aanbieden? Ik ben supergoed in verjaardagen raden. Ik denk dat jouw verjaardag 10 oktober is. Nee? Ik dacht wel dat je een 10 op 10 was. Sorry.
What does that mean?
I just said, hi, you look nice. Can I offer you a drink? I'm very good at guessing birthdays. And I think yours is the 10th of October, right? No, it isn't. Well, I really thought you were a 10 out of. Sorry.
That was good and smooth.
Thanks.
How do you hype someone up in your language?
Let's go, we gaan een play doen op mijn kot. En daarna gaan we naar de Oude Markt gaan. Ik zet een meter. En we gaan niet naar huis voor 4 uur. Let's go.
Yeah, what does that mean?
It's specific to my student city. I said, okay, let's go. We'll do a pre-drink at my place. And then after, we're going to go out to the Old Market, which is a famous place in Leuven. And there I'm going to buy you the first drinks. It's called 1 meter. It's a meter of beer. And we're not going home before 4 a.m. Let's go.
Locked in.
Say something in your language that makes people instantly know where you're from.
Ja, ik ben van Kortrijk. Ik heb een beetje een West-Vlaams accent. En eigenlijk ben ik van Zwevenhem. Maar ik heb mijn middelbaar gedaan in Kortrijk. I basically said like where I'm from, but I said it in a West Flemish accent. And people will recognize that.
Say something in your language that would make your grandma smile.
Dag mami, hallo. Het is leuk om je nog een keer te zien. Kunnen we nog een keer ergens op een weekend of zo afspreken om wafels te bakken? Ik vond dat super tof de vorige keer. Oké, bye bye. And what I said was, hi grandma, very nice to see you again. Could we maybe, bake some waffles in a coming weekend? I would be really down for that. Thank you.
What's a slang word in your language that outsiders should never try to say?
I think one word they shouldn't try to say. I mean, they can, but it's Hottentotten tenten tentoonstelling, which is a famously hard or long word in Flemish.
What does it mean?
It is a presentation, like an exposition of a special sort of tents, and these tents were originally from the Hottentot.
What's one greeting or statement or word you would tell a stranger back home that can make them feel at home with you?
Oké, hallo. Wow, je bent ook van België, ben je van Vlaanderen? Super cool. Tof om mensen van België zo ver te zien hier in het buitenland.
And what does that mean?
I just said hi. It's very nice to see some Belgians here. You're from Flanders, right? Yeah. It's very nice to see, and yeah.
What's one word in your language that English doesn't have but should?
Let me think about that. I think we have a nice one. It's de kat uit de boom kijken. It's a proverb. The literal translation is to watch a cat from the tree. And it basically says like someone is not taking action and not solving a problem. So there's a cat in the tree, and the only thing you're doing is like watching it to see like when it will come down instead of getting it from the tree yourself. I think it's typically a Flemish proverb, and I think it's quite nice.
Say a line from a song, poem, or proverb in your language that everyone back home knows.
Io vivat, io vivat. Those are the beginning words of a very well-known Latin song, which is sung by students in a cantus. A cantus is a gathering, well-known, where students gather and have drink and socialize.
And if If I only learned one phrase or word in your language, what should it be and why?
It's hard to come up with one word. And I think a simple greeting would work great. You can say, "Hallo, mijn naam is," and then you say your name. Heel aangenaam om jou te ontmoeten, which is nice to meet you.
Thank you, and that was good.
Thank you.